is Sing and Cook. My name is Chef Harpal and you're watching me cook some delicious recipes from kiwi fruit. I'm always in search of new ingredients and creating innovative recipes. Now, those recipes which are absolutely tasty are the ones which are brought forward to you. Now, this recipe is kiwi and raw papaya chutney. First, what I'm going to do is take 2 kiwis and cut them. I'll puree 2 kiwis. That's it. This is ready. Next step, you need to chop some ginger. Sliced ginger. There you have beautiful sliced ginger. Chop ginger finely. Take green chilies, 2 of them, and just chop them. Here's my oil, using olive oil. I've got some assorted nuts. Now, these nuts are very unique. These are actually seeds of watermelon, seeds from melon, and seeds from cucumber. So, assorted nuts along with sesame seeds. Saute this for some time. To this, add the chopped ginger. And the green chilies. Now, once this gets sauteed, quickly add raw papaya. The raw papaya is what I've grated. In goes the raw papaya. And along with raw papaya, what I'm going to do is add the kiwi puree. To this, add the sugar. About 3/4 cup of sugar. That's what I'm adding. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add all my spices quickly. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of that, 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, black salt, about a teaspoon of the same, amchur powder, which is dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon of the same. Now, those of you who don't get amchur powder can substitute with lemon juice or vinegar, as I'm using almost in all recipes, hence I thought let me change a bit. And 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Salt to taste. In goes the salt. All the ingredients in here. Mix this up nicely. Nice tangy flavor is what you are getting. Now this chutney is ready in here. As you see, get a nice glaze, beautiful to look at, superb taste. Just close this up. What I'm going to do in my pan. Wow, look at the color, beautiful. Now this chutney is absolutely ready. It looks divine to me. I'm telling you, if you make it at home, it's going to be divine for everybody at home. Just absolutely divine. Do try it. You're going to enjoy it.